This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Tally. NetID. A Tally. NetID is essentially your unique digital key to unlock a suite of connected services within your Tally software. It's usually the email address you registered with Tally Solutions when you first obtained your license or subscribed to services. This ID is crucial for leveraging many powerful features that enhance your business operations. Your Tally. NetID offers several significant advantages for managing your business efficiently. With it, you can securely access your company data remotely, which is incredibly useful for working from different locations. It also facilitates seamless data synchronization between various branches, ensuring all your information is consistently updated. Furthermore, this ID grants you access to essential product updates, statutory compliance features, and even online banking services. Finding your Tally. NetID is straightforward. Most commonly, it is the email address you provided during your Tally software registration or service subscription. You can often locate it in your initial license documents or confirmation emails from Tally Solutions. Alternatively, if you have administrator access, you can log into the Tally Control Center to view user details. If all else fails, the Tally Login Portal offers a convenient Forgot ID or password option to help you retrieve it. Remember to fully utilize all connected services, ensure your Tally. NET subscription remains active. As an administrator, you have the capability to create and manage multiple Tally. NET user ID, assigning different access levels as needed. Always prioritize keeping your Tally. NetID and its associated password confidential and secure to protect your business data. Should you encounter any difficulties or have further questions, Tally's support team is readily available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.